Chapter number 5, co-coordinate geometry. In this chapter, the related to the x-axis and y-axis in the plane xy. Here the first point discuss to find the distance between any two points on an axis. Here the observing the axis x and y. The any two points. Here consider the points A and B. These 2 points A and B present on the x-axis. The point A co-coordinate is x1 0, point B co-coordinate is x2 0. The co-coordinate of x-axis is x1, the co-coordinate of y-axis is 0. Then co-coordinate of second point is point B, their co-coordinate is x2, then y-axis is 0. Here observing the both 2 points A and B present on the axis x. In first condition, the x2 is greater than x1. Therefore, the distance between the points A and B, here point A and B, their distance find out by the greater number is x2, then their difference x2 minus x1. In this way, the second point, to find the distance between the 2 points. Similarly, if the segment joining these points is parallel to any axis in the xy plane, the consider here observing the diagram, the last diagram, the shows the point AB. Here also point the LM. Then there other points in xy plane, the point A and B. These points are their co-coordinate x1 y1 and B point co-coordinate is x2 y1. Here the y1 and y1 observing the point A and B are equal because these 2 points here the given segment AB is parallel to line parallel to axis x. Then consider the joining the point AL and point BL. Here the forming here rectangle AB EML. This rectangle then shows the point AB is parallel to ELM. There the co-coordinate here also observing the co-coordinate of EL and M. This also shows the x1 0 because the co-coordinate present on x-axis, and here also x2 0. Then similarly their y co-coordinates are equal because the segment parallel to x-axis. Then in this way also showing the x2 is greater than x1. Then similarly here the co-coordinate, write down the segment distance of segment AB is equal to x2 minus x1. Then similar to distance of LM, because the given rectangle is given quadrilateral is a rectangle. There also their answer is x2 minus x1. Similarly, then shows the points. Here the point parallel to x-axis, and similarly to shows the point parallel to y-axis. Then there also write down here the co-coordinate y2 minus y1 shows the segment AB. In this way, find out the difference between the distance between the two points present on the plane xy.